What happened yesterday? Holiday was there. No energy looks. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Maybe everyone likes their maths teacher but don't like maths. Is it correct? From last 13 years, I'm trying to make maths entertaining, easy subject. But generation by generation, you people are bombarded by what? Maths is a hard, maths is a hard. But it is there in your mind, it is hard. But if you see mathematics, can you say honestly, is it a hard? Can you say, is it hard? Very few. In our school, most of the students, they want. If I go to 4th, 5th, not only 4th, 5th, 6th, even though in 10th, very few are there, but most of them, they want to learn maths. So, we are celebrating two events. You know about one event that Srinivas Ramanujan's birth anniversary we are celebrating. And second event is that 22 of December is observed as the shortest day. Maybe Khuddu sir knows. सबसे छोटा दिन होता है पूरे साल का. So maybe he will say about it. So Srinivas Ramanujan was born in Tamil Nadu in Erode, 22 of December 1887. And some people are maybe God gifted. When he was in just 5th or 6th standard, wherever he was living, some students of BA, that time BSc BA was same. In BA you can do mathematics. So some students of college were there, and one day Srinivas Ramanujan saw a book of mathematics and he asked, can you give me that book? So that student laughed. They said, what you will do of this book? It is none of your business. He said, okay, you can give me. And the day they went to college and that book was there with Srinivas Ramanujan. And when they back to home, by casually he said our sir was teaching a problem and it was not easy problem. We didn't understand. So he said, which problem? So he said, maybe whatever the problem was there, he said. So he said, this problem I have solved. So he got shocked. You are learning in 5th standard, how it is possible? BA's problem, how you can solve? So he said, look at my slate. He's shown. Maybe he thought, maybe it is his guess. So he asked some questions more to him. And he has given all the answers. So afterwards the students of college, they requested his mother that we want to learn tuition from Srinivas Ramanujan. Even though he was in 6th standard, but he was teaching to BA students. Can you imagine? Maybe it is a God gifted. When he joined the job, he was doing his job, clerical work was there, but instead of doing that job, he was writing some equations, and that equation comes to that owner of that office. He called him, what is this? You are not here for doing these unnecessary calculations. He said, these are not my calculations, these are my theorems, theories. He said, what theories are there? So he explained. Afterwards, that owner gave him a separate cabin and said, you no need to do a work of office, you can do research here. So he was very happy with that. And after that, finally he made to his ideal. The name of that, his ideal was Hardy. If you go in MSc Mathematics, there is Hardy equations. he worked with Hardy. Mathematics, if you learn, it will give you too much pleasure, too much happiness, even though the problems are big. But at the end of the problem, a final answer will come in just one line. A is equal to 2, x is equal to 5. It means you can resolve your problems. And you know that whatever mathematicians are there, even though Newton was also a mathematician, afterwards he became physicist. Mathematicians are not just ordinary, they are extraordinary. And by looking at your maths teacher, maybe ordinary, you know very well. Your maths teacher is also extraordinary, maybe 10 student knows better. Yes, all student knows better, extraordinary. Not only in teaching, they are in other activities too. Yes? Huh? In life, see, when I was in 5th, 6th, 7th, I was also average students. Average student I was. I used to take mathematics book because my father doesn't know mathematics. He was the English teacher. So I know that if I take English book, he will ask me question. To just overcome, I take maths. 1 day, 2 day, months. And one day I asked, "Beta, what are you doing?" I said, "I am reading mathematics." There only he got slapped. Who read mathematics? Up to 10th, 12th, it was okay. But again I thought if I take arts, again he is the English teacher, he is good in political science, he is good in history. Again he will ask questions. I said, I will not take arts. I will not take commerce, I will take science. And in that also I take maths. He said, you got very less mark in 10th. Why you are taking mathematics? I said, I want to do career in mathematics. But the reason behind was, he will not understand. But after 12th standard, I was the topper of college in BSc as well as MSc. So whatever theories were there, when I was in BSc, I used to take tuitions of 12th standard. So afterward I got grip. In life you can think, if you don't do anything, you can do at least maths. Everything is there. Just you have to use your presence of mind. कि लाइफ में कुछ नहीं कर सकते तो एटलीस्ट मैथ्स टीचर बन सकते, वो भी अच्छे से अच्छा मैथ्स टीचर. जनरेशन से जनरेशन चला रहा है, मैथ्स हार्ड, मैथ्स हार्ड, मैथ्स हार्ड. इट इज देयर इन द माइंड ऑफ पीपल. इट इज हार्ड. इट इज नॉट अ हार्ड सब्जेक्ट. If you want to study SST, you have to do proper. If you want to study any other subject, you have to do proper. But in maths, once pay attention properly. Maybe our students, before exam, you no need to prepare more because it is not a part of just one day. It is a part of every day. If you do little bit every day, it will be okay. And one more thing, once a friend of Srinivas Ramanujan came to meet, and he said, my number of my vehicle is not good, I am not happy, and the number of the vehicle was 729. So in that also Ramanujan replied, why you are thinking it is unlucky number? He said 729 is a cube of 9. So in this way he make math interesting. And if you become more if you want more interest in mathematics, you can see one name of the movie, the Super 30. How many of you watch Super 30? Once again you can watch. It is a very good movie on mathematics. It is the biography of Amit Kumar, who was the excellent maths teacher. And the movie of Srinivas Ramanujan is also there. Maybe the name of that movie is Ramanja. When he used to sleep, in the sleep the equations, solutions used to come. Means if you are fully prepared, if you are fully devoted to your subjects, nature also help you. In his dreams, he used to solve the problems. Yes, that much devotion he won. At the age of just 32, he passed away. Just 32. He did so many research. He did so many equations. Still, the equations are not able to solve. At that time, we can think how he did. Yes. So his dedication towards the mathematics is too much. And you know, mathematics is something, a craziness. It doesn't come directly. You need to go it. And once if you know how to solve, you can do continuously. Okay? So we tribute to this great mathematician, Srinivas Ramanujan. So I hope you understood. I hope you got motivated towards the mathematics. And I hope after your 10th, you all will be doing career in mathematics. Okay? Thank you.